Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
Off?
No, it's on. Yeah. What did I turn on? What's that, the light?
Right.
That's right. And what are you reading? You got your book? You say book? Is that your book?
Book.
That's right.
Okay.
And you just climbed up here all by yourself and grabbed a book and started reading, huh?
I just got the book.
I see that you got your book. And which book do you have? Good Night Moon? Moon, that's right. And what does a cow say?
Moon.
That's right. What does monkey say? Ooh, ah, ah, that's right. And what does a puppy say?
Puppy.
Oh, that's monkey right there. What's he say?
Ooh, ah, ah.
And what does puppy say? Woof. And what does kitty cat say?
Meow.
Meow, that's right.
Ooh, ah, ah.
And what does an elephant say? That's right. Do your hand. Do your hand, Colin. What's the elephant say? What's the elephant say? Okay. Well, are you having fun reading your book? I'll leave you alone with your book. Say bye.